Welcome to the South Dakota State Archives Basic Records Training Series, Part 3, Using Your Records Retention and Destruction Schedule. Last part, we discussed the benefits of good records management and the importance of destroying records responsibly. But different records need to be kept for different lengths of time, so how do you know how long to keep the records you create? The answers are in your agency's Records Retention and Destruction Schedule. The retention and destruction schedules for all state and local government agencies are available online through the Bureau of Administration's Records Management Office. Simply go to the URL on your screen with the link to go to the state government manuals, then find your department in the list. You can download the PDF and save it for easy reference. Your department's retention schedule will have many pages. Find your office or program in the table of contents and go directly to that section. The upper right-hand corner of each page will have the department, division, office, and program responsible for creating and managing the records listed. It will also give the name of the department's records officer. You can contact them if you have questions. Once you arrive at the correct section, you can search through the list for the appropriate record series title for your records. These titles appear underlined and in all capital letters, as seen here. Each record series includes a paragraph description which discusses the information contained in the record, the purpose of the record, and how the records are filed or maintained. You can use these descriptions to determine the record series that best fits the records you create. The retention period for the series is listed at the end of the entry. It will tell you where, in what format, and how long to keep a record. If the retention says transfer to the state archives for final disposition or subject to archival screening, those records should be transferred to the state archives. These record series have been identified by the state archivist as having permanent historical value. If your agency creates other record series that you believe have permanent value but are not identified in the retention schedule, please let the archives know. The retention manual should be reviewed regularly and updated. Key questions to ask are: does the schedule accurately reflect the records your agency is creating and managing? Are there series you no longer create? Alternatively, are you creating new records to comply with a new function or mandate? Are some record series being maintained in different formats? For example, are you storing records digitally instead of on microfilm? If so, talk with your agency's records officer. They can submit retention schedule changes to the Records Management Office. These changes must be approved by the State Records Destruction Board before they can go into effect. Meetings of the Destruction Board happen twice a year and are open to the public. Thank you for joining Part 3 of our series. If you have questions, please contact Sarah Casper at the State Archives or Dana Hofer with the State Records Management Office.